Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a HABOR brand Haber electric kettle. Now, some of the unique features of this kettle is that it is totally BPA-free materials. Your water only touches the special glass, and all the plastic has no BPA in it, and it has stainless steel everywhere else, so you don't have to worry about that contamination. So it's free of any of that. Now this, you can see, has a max of 1.7 liters and a minimum of 0.5 liters. It has a nice cover on here with a screen that's spring loaded that drops it down, and what that does is it filters out any grounds you might have or tea leaves or anything like that. On the side it has a simple mechanism for pushing that up. And the simplicity of this unit is all you do is push this down to get it to boil water, and it auto shuts off. Now this version has a US plug on there with a grounded plug on there, and make sure you use a grounded outlet with this. And you can see how unique these things are because there's really no contacts exposed. It's all internal, and the bottom of this has rubber so that it doesn't slide around, which is nice. So going over some of the specs again, and it includes a very nice user manual that shows you how to use this water heater, electric kettle, and also how to clean it, which is nice. Now this is FDA approved, and it's 1500 watts of energy, which is going to allow you to fast heat and boil water. It has a cool blue LED ring light that's during boiling. You'll see it on the bottom right here. Looks really nice. And it has an automatic shut-off over boiling. It has dry protection also, so that if you turn this on and you push that button and you walked away and there was no water, it would automatically shut down. Now this glass is a special glass called borosilicate, and it's a hardened glass that makes this very difficult to crack, which is really nice. And again, I want to mention the wide mouth of this. As you can see, I can put my whole hand in there, and that just makes it very easy to fill with water.